Are you ready to take your biomedical career to the next level? Join our exclusive workshop and gain relevant insights into securing jobs with the NHS. Our workshop events are designed to provide candidates with career insights, hands-on experience, mentorship from industry experts, networking, certificate of attendance to increase employability, and lots more. With our alumni thriving in over 180 NHS trusts, we take pride in our 99% employability rate upon completion. By attending our workshop event, you stand a chance to interact first-hand with industry experts and some of our past trainees who will share their experience and career progression since completing our training. You can also be one of the lucky winners to benefit from our scholarships and free work placement programs. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your future with us. Limited seats available. Early registration is advised. For more information regarding registration, please visit www.labmedexpert.com or contact info@labmedexpert.com. Date is August 31st, 2024 at 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. in London Innovation Centre, 20 Water Street, E14 5GX, Canary Wharf, London. Scan the QR code to register.